Wow. What is that noise? Right outside our windows? Workers? Holy moly. And soon they're going to be directly behind us, right here, digging holes. I guess they're laying fiber here in Quartzsite. Wow. High pressure water. The guy's got his measuring device out, seeing how deep the hole is.
Good morning.
Good morning. I love you. Cheers, cheers, cheers. Cheers,
Good morning,
cheers, cheers.
everybody. Oh, gosh. We spend way too much time together, don't we?
No.
Nope.
I think that was the right answer.
That is the correct answer.
Okay, good.
Happy Saturday, everybody. It is Saturday, March 21st, 2026.
Oh.
Today is a very important day.
Yes, it is.
It's our granddaughter Salem's 8th birthday. Happy birthday, Salem!
Woohoo! Happy birthday,
girl.
Salem.
And there are a lot of birthdays and anniversaries. I
Really?
missed one on Monday.
Okay.
Monday the 6th was our friend Emily.
Little girl.
Happy birthday, Emily. I hope you had a great day.
Yeah.
Today was also my grandma's birthday.
Oh, okay.
Today, along with Salem's. And then this coming week, alrighty, on Monday, it's Adam and Kelly, our nephew and
Yes.
niece-in-law. It's their anniversary.
Happy anniversary, guys.
2 years. Woohoo!
Nuh-uh.
Yeah. Yeah. Also on Monday is our friend Wendy's birthday. Jeff and Wendy?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Wendy.
Happy birthday, Wendy.
Then on Tuesday, there are quite a few birthdays.
Here we go.
So, Mo Pitney, our buddy Mo Pitney, it's
Mo.
his birthday. Annalise
Oh, my
was
gosh.
our Ranger Greg's daughter.
How old is she?
I believe she is...
Isn't
what?
she like almost
She's
16
not-
or 8?
Oh, she's more than that.
18 or
Yeah, she...
30?
19.
Oh, 19.
Yeah.
Happy birthday.
And our dear friend Linda Van Den Bosch in Idaho.
Yes. Happy birthday,
And
Linda.
also, my brother-in-law, Dan Flanagan. Happy birthday, Dan.
Happy birthday.
Then on Thursday, it's Robert Shields' birthday.
Oh, boy.
Robert
That's your
Shields.
buddy.
Yeah, my buddy. So it's his
Shields and
birthday.
Yarnell.
And your buddy, Chuck. It's Chuck's birthday on Thursday.
Hey, Chuck. You're catching up to both JJ and me.
Oh, boy. So happy birthday and happy anniversary, everybody.
Happy birthday.
All right, last Saturday after we chatted with you, we spent some time with Dave.
Yes, we did. Our Endeavors Dave. We love spending time with Dave.
We love it. And then Dave and I went to the grocery tent. We went in search of coffee. And then I went again later on in the week. And then it was pack up to go. On Sunday was travel day, and we went so far, 2 miles, to the Quartzsite RV Resort.
Hey, it's a great place. You need power. You want to try to stay cool in the
Hooray.
extremely hot weather. That's the place to go.
Hooray for the AC. Yes,
Because
yes.
they are a Passport America park.
Yes, so that was nice, and we got to play some more pool.
Yep.
So starting on Monday, we just staying cool in the air conditioning. And you did some songwriting, I did some making cards. We went to go play pool. They have a nice clubhouse there at the Quartzsite RV Resort. And we're just trying to stay cool.
Everybody is.
Yeah.
It's not just us.
Right. We hardly saw anybody that's staying there because everybody's just hibernating.
There were 3 other RVs there. That was it. Everybody
Has fled.
is smarter than us and went up to higher ground where it's cooler.
Yep. Then on Tuesday, we did this. Dave and I went to the grocery tent again. We went looking for coffee and other things.
Other things.
Other things. So I got an insulated grocery bag for $2, I think.
Because we don't have enough of those.
Not of the insulated ones, no. No, that's my water bottle that I took with me. Got some protein crisps. They're crackers. Oh, I got another bag. I thought this bag would be good for carrying water. I could put a water bottle in here for when we go walking.
And everything at that grocery tent is really cheap. It's inexpensive.
This is like 50 cents.
Yeah.
Got some lip gloss for a couple bucks. Can always use that. Actually, I'm going to put it down here this way. Got some rubber gloves. Nice smaller ones for me. Medium, $5 for 100.
That's a good price. $5 for 100 gloves.
I got some granola. I got some of this. And if you like this.
Chicken with beans.
Yep.
Chicken chili with beans?
Yep. We can get, there's a bunch more. Dave's going to try it too. Because it has an expiration date. This is like an MRE, basically. A meal ready to eat.
Well, sure. Let's buy this for Tom.
Yep. 2038. So, if you like it, we'll get more. I might even like it.
Okay.
So, got some more pasta. Pasta's $1 there. $1 a bag. Got some little crouton things for salad. These you would probably like. These are garlic and herb. They're not spicy like the other ones I got. Got some bagels.
Just toss that bag over there.
Yeah. It's like on Christmas Story when they take the wrapping and the socks and they throw them over the couch. So I got some canned goods put underneath the bed. Oh, I shouldn't say where it is.
No, just to put them away.
To put away. Look what I got for you.
$1. Boy. Did you get me any Spam?
They didn't have that.
Oh.
Got some baked beans. And I got some garbanzo beans. Got some lentils.
Come on now. Who doesn't like Spam? Let me know in the comments.
Pinto beans. We know somebody that loves Spam. Don't you, Chuck? And I got some more coffee. And some more coffee.
Wow.
And some more coffee.
Oh my gosh.
And some more coffee.
Oh my gosh.
And then I got some like Rice Krispie treats. I got you chicken chili and I got me Rice Krispie treats. And some crackers. And after we got back, we played pool and we were staying cool. And I was really sucking at pool. I did good one day, but he was kicking my butt. I just didn't have it. Didn't have it.
No, she wins because I always sink the 8 ball before you're supposed to sink the 8 ball.
And I don't count that.
You have to count that.
Nope. I also don't count it if you sink my balls in as a win. We've already been through that a lot. So Wednesday was our last day in queue for the 25-26 season, and we were packing up for travel day. And on Thursday, we got up nice and early to try to beat the heat because we were coming down to Fort Mohave. We're staying at a Boondockers welcome here. So it's been hot, but the AC has been hanging in there, thank goodness. Fingers crossed, knock on wood, all that good stuff. Trying to keep us and Kaylee cool. And yesterday morning I did some work and more staying chill in the AC. And we visited with our hosts here at our Boondockers welcome. Very, very nice people.
This is a great place. It
playing
really
with their
is.
little doggies. There's Lexi.
Hi, Lexi.
They won't let us pick them up to show you, so
We'll have to snap some photos.
we will have to do that, yeah. Thank you for being here, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so and click that bell to get notified anytime we put out a new episode, and give us a thumbs up, share us with your friends, and leave a comment below. And remember to hype if you are on a mobile device. Yep, last Wednesday, What Up Wednesday, we visited High Jolly.
Yep.
Hope you check that out. And this coming Wednesday...
It's a quickie. It's only this long. It's not a short. It's longer than a short, but it's not a long.
Not a full episode, huh?
It's a quickie.
It's a quickie episode. All righty. We have to start calling some of those quickie episodes.
That's what we'll do instead of a short. We'll just call them Tom and Lori Quickies.
Coming up this Wednesday is our See Ya to Quartzsite. And on that note,
I think we're done.
we'll see ya.
In Taylor we roam, hearts on repeat. Life is short, let's make it sweet. Da, 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 da. Sweet!